in this video, we'll be solving some few questions under sort. So these are the few questions we'll be solving under sort today. Let's start with question 1. Root of 45. How do we solve root of 45? We'll be applying our laws. We state that root of n equal to root of m multiplied by n. So yeah, how do we find our root of mn? We look for two numbers that will multiply, which one of it is a perfect square. So root of 45 can be equal to root of 9 multiplied by 5, which can be separated to root of 9 multiplied by root of 5, to be equivalent to 3 root 5. So that is how this question is being solved. You apply your laws, may solve it step by step. So we can go. Question 2. Root of 162. How do we solve root of 162? The secret sometimes I normally use, I look at the question. This, can it be divided by 2 or can it be divided by 3? 162 can be divided by 2, and if it's divided by 2, you'll be having 81. So root of 81 multiplied by 2. 81 is a perfect square. So if you are in an example, stuff like this, you apply it. So root of 81 multiplied by root of 2, which is root of 9 root 2. That is the fast and easy way you solve questions like this. So to question 3. 250. 2 root 50. How do we solve 2 root 50? Laws of sort. I explain it in the third law, in the third or fourth law. So we can solve it. Root of 50. We are looking for numbers that when you multiply, and 1 is a perfect square. So 25 is a perfect square multiplied by 2, which will be 2. Take root of 25 multiplied by 5, then multiply by root of 2. So we have 10 root 2 as our final answer. So this is how you solve questions like this. Then the last question, root of 4 over 5. I also explained this in the laws of root. So the fourth question, root of 4 over 5. Applying the laws, it will be root of 4 over root of 5. So then root of 4 to root 5. That is how you solve questions like this. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. Go check out this video of mine where I explain the laws of sort step by step. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel so that you encourage me create videos like this. Thank you.